Are you ready to take your website to the next level in 2024? Welcome to this guide on how to do a website audit to improve SEO and conversions. In today's competitive online landscape, ensuring your website is optimized for both search engines and user experience is crucial for success. Let's dive in and explore the steps to conduct a comprehensive website audit that will boost your SEO and conversions. Introduction to Website Audit. Before we begin, let's understand what a website audit is. A website audit is a thorough examination of your website to identify areas that need improvement. It involves analyzing various aspects such as site structure, content quality, user experience, and technical performance. Step 1. Technical audit. The first step in conducting a website audit is to perform a technical audit. This involves checking for issues that may affect your website's performance in search engines. Look for issues like broken links, crawl errors, slow page speed, and mobile responsiveness. Step 2. On-page SEO audit. Next, conduct an on-page SEO audit to optimize individual pages for better search engine rankings. Focus on optimizing title tags, meta descriptions, headers, and URL structures. Ensure that each page targets relevant keywords and provides valuable content to users. Step 3. Content audit. A content audit is essential for evaluating the quality and relevance of your website's content. Identify outdated or thin content that needs to be updated or removed. Ensure that your content aligns with your target audience's interests and provides value to them. Step 4. User experience audit. User experience plays a significant role in both SEO and conversions. Evaluate your website's usability, navigation, and design. Make sure your website is easy to navigate, loads quickly, and is accessible on all devices. Optimize forms and calls to action to encourage user interaction. Step 5. Conversion rate optimization audit. Lastly, conduct a conversion rate optimization (CRO) audit to improve the effectiveness of your website in converting visitors into customers. Analyze conversion funnels, CTAs, and landing pages. Make data-driven decisions to optimize elements that impact conversions. Conclusion. Conducting a website audit is essential for improving both SEO and conversions in 2024. By following these steps and addressing issues identified during the audit, you can enhance your website's performance and achieve better results. Remember, regular audits are necessary to keep up with changing trends and maintain your competitive edge in the online market. Start auditing your website today and watch your online presence soar.